Whether you're starting a stream, taking a break, or just adding some flair, a countdown creates a fun sense of urgency. There are two ways to do this. One is exclusive to Streamlabs Ultra. The other is completely free. Let's go through both options so you can choose what works best for you. Method 1. Using Streamlabs Ultra. If you have a Streamlabs Ultra subscription, here's what to do. 1. Open the App Store in Streamlabs Desktop. 2. Use the search bar and type timer. 3. Find the Countdown Timer app and install it. 4. Once installed, open the timer app and you'll see options like Start, Stop, Reset, and Set Time. 5. Head over to the Editor tab in Streamlabs. 6. Click plus Add Source, scroll down, and select Stream Timer. 7. Name your source something like Countdown Timer and click Done. 8. You should now see the timer on your screen. Drag and position it wherever you'd like. Top, center, bottom corner, etc. To customize it, click the gear icon to open source properties. Then hit Open App Settings to change font, timer duration, colors, and more. You can also enable keyboard shortcuts for quick control, like Control plus Shift plus P to start the timer. Set your preferred duration, save the settings, and hit the shortcut key. The timer will begin. Method 2. Free browser-based timer. If you don't have Ultra, don't worry. There's still a free way to add a countdown. 1. Open your browser and go to slasker.com/countdowntimertool2. Customize the timer. Set minutes and seconds. Adjust font size, background color, etc. 3. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Get My Timer. Copy the link provided. Now go back to Streamlabs. Click plus Add Source. Choose Browser Source. Name it, e.g., Countdown Timer, and click Add Source. Paste the timer link into the URL field. Adjust the width and height to fit your layout and click Close. Now the timer will display on your stream just like any other source. Resize or reposition it as needed.